The only message is that the Earth is at a very critical stage now, crucial stage. All of you know that global warming, climate change is going to affect our Mother Earth. So it's our duty to preserve it, protect it, and all of us should do something so that our generations can live happy.
Sir, on ocean research and ocean ice and anything on that you want to tell the people? Because climate change.
Yeah, the climate change is happening. It's no longer a myth. Some people were saying that it's a speculation and people are doing it for not for a scientific reason. But now it has been established that yes, the world is facing a serious problem. The temperatures are going up, and all these, when the temperatures go up, the extremes in the climate will take place. We'll have more floods. We'll have more extreme events. So life will be very difficult. People, those who live in the coastal areas, they will face more problems because the sea level will go up. So it's going to be a very difficult time with these changes in the climate change. So we have to prepare ourselves.
Conference on polar sciences is one of the biennial conference which deals with what is happening in Antarctica, Arctic, and Himalaya, and how they affect our climate system as well as our life. So towards this, actually, the 4 days of this conference will discuss various developments in this polar science and how it's going to be in future. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
To collect all Indian scientists, those who are working on all three poles as well as Southern Ocean, those who are working. So we are collectively what we have done to understand what we have done, what we need to do. So what are the best way and what are the things to do for the country. So we are looking at it, and maybe later we can go for other international and other people what is happening right now.
Sir, during your speech we heard that there are a lot of climate changes.
Yeah.
The main, so something on that. Sir.
Yeah, basically the climate change is happening everywhere. Of course, polar region is Arctic is 4 times faster than the global average. And even if you see last year in Antarctica, it is about minus 11.8 degrees centigrade in one station. Minus 11.8 is, you may be feel cold, but it is a 40-degree higher than the climate also. So that much it is warming is happening. So that is why we are trying to understand the process, why it is warming. If it is warm, what will happen, either in terms of science and climate change as well as politics, geopolitics and other things. So that is why we are looking.
Sir, you also spoke about 2040 onwards. There are going to be a lot of changes, Antarctic Treaty and geopolitical changes.
Yeah, in 2040s, maybe in the Arctic, there will be no summer sea ice. So there will be a lot of ship route will be changing, and there are resources, mineral resources and living resources will be plenty is available to harness. So everybody will be fight for that. So that is one reason. And Antarctica 2048, the treaty is going to be maybe whether the treaty will continue or it will collapse. If it is collapsed, then there will be a big chaos because everybody trying to grab the land in Antarctica. So these are the things we are looking forward in 2040s.